Welcome to another quick video tutorial brought to you by ACS All CCTV Supply. In this video, I'm going to show you where to go and how to download the UNIVIEW app for iOS, which is called Ezview. We will begin by opening up the iOS App Store. Simply drop down to the search icon and type in the name of the app and go. The first result should be Ezview for UNIVIEW. Once installed and open on your Apple mobile device, you will find walkthroughs and tips for further setup and personalization. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you have any recommendations for security or CCTV tutorials that we can cover here at ACS All CCTV Supply, leave us a comment in the section below.